Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating the symptom. Measure static compression and note which cylinder, S, read low. Once done, remove the spark plugs and use a compression gauge on each cylinder, recording the psi and number of cranks to reach peak. Make sure to disable fuel and ignition for safety. If a low cylinder is found, follow with a cylinder leak down test to determine whether the loss is past rings, valve sealing, or head gasket failure. Once you have compression numbers, perform leak down at about 100 psi and listen carefully. Air in intake or exhaust indicates valve sealing issues. Air in the crankcase points to worn rings. Airflow into adjacent cylinders or coolant reservoirs implies a head gasket breach. Make sure to verify cam timing and valve lash before removing the head, because a mistimed cam can mimic low compression. If valves are suspect, do a cold visual inspection and consider a valve job or head removal for closer inspection. You proceed with the correct repair for the diagnosed cause. Machine and replace valves if leaking, replace the head gasket and torque to spec, or install rings and hone cylinders if ring wear is the issue. Make sure to use new fasteners where required and follow the manufacturer torque sequence. This prevents warpage and re-leak. Once reassembled, retest compression, run the engine, and perform a controlled break-in. If compression still drops, check for warped head, improperly seated valves, or assembly errors as the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.